Go. Stand by!
My story begins in my hometown of Nadaru. My father was but a lowly carpenter, and my mother was a virgin. One night, my mother slept and dreamt of Angelica Gabriella. I have been sent to tell you will give birth to a child, God's child, and you will call him Jesus! Then my father took my mother home to tell the family of the good news. Meanwhile, a decree was sent out.
She knew her life had changed forever.
She knew her life had changed when she was carrying the Son of God.